Hi, I'm Guy Cook. This is the Guy R. Cook Report, and we're talking about making your logo available to download in a media kit. Long time ago, I worked with the National Magazine, and one of the things I learned from working with them was you have a media kit so that people from a news agency or another website or somebody that wants to share a link to you can have your logo included in that send a friend dialogue that they're going to import onto their page. So if you go to the show notes, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, you'll see a link in there on how to have your logo available to download in a media kit. And guess whose logo is on that page? That's right, yours truly. I want you to have a good week, and I hope that this is going to give you some ammunition in your quiver of things to see and do. I want to thank all the time that you've devoted to this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. I hope that link helps you out in some way. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap. And this is how you get in touch with yours truly, Guy R. Cook. There's the GuyRCookReport.com, and there's a contact form if you go to GuyRCook.com, just like it shows in text there. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. I look forward to talking to you.